Hello friends, this video shows you how to enable USB debugging on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Follow these simple steps to unlock developer options and safely turn on USB debugging for app development, file management and troubleshooting. Step 1. Unlock developer options. Before you can enable USB debugging, you need to unlock the hidden developer options menu. This menu contains advanced settings designed for developers and power users, but anyone can access it by following a few simple steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap About Phone. Next, select Software Information. On this screen, locate the build number entry. Tap build number 7 times in quick succession. After several taps, your phone will ask you to verify your identity by entering your lock screen, PIN, password or pattern. Once you do this successfully, you'll see a message confirming that developer mode has been turned on. The hidden developer options menu is now available in your settings. Step 2. Enable USB debugging. Now that developer options has been unlocked, go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down until you see Developer Options, which appears just below About Phone on most Samsung devices. Open Developer Options and scroll through the list until you find the Debugging section. Locate the USB Debugging option and tap the switch next to it. A confirmation message will appear explaining that USB debugging is intended for development purposes and allows your phone to communicate with a computer using Android Debug Bridge, ADB. Read the message carefully, then tap OK or Allow to confirm. The switch will turn on, indicating that USB debugging is now enabled. The first time you connect your Samsung phone to a computer while USB debugging is enabled, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to allow USB debugging from that computer. If it's your personal computer, tap Allow. You can also check Always Allow from this computer if you don't want to approve the connection every time. USB debugging is commonly used for transferring advanced commands, testing Android apps, unlocking certain developer features, and troubleshooting your device. If you no longer need it, you can return to developer options at any time and switch USB debugging off for added security. That's it! USB debugging is now enabled on your Samsung Galaxy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.